I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am. I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am. I'm a hooligan. I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am. I'm a hooligan. I am what I am, and that's all that I am. I am what I am. I'm still a hooligan.
Hey folks, welcome to another episode straight out of Jarrahdale. Now, my opinion is you rate this signal, it's not too good. So today, we're going to show you how to fix it.
Now, a demonstration of what the radio quality is like in Jarrahdale. Right, and there is a simple solution, and I'll show you right now. Take your pick. Right, so any of your favourite aluminium can, my personal favourite, and step outside and I'll show you what's going on. Right, so you get your aluminium can. It's already open, so chuck it on like that. Signal will be perfect.
Yeah, mate.
Now, if you really want to get fancy, you can make it so the symbol's still the right way up, and we'll show you how to do that right now. Rightio. So you get your can, and you need to find a way to drill it. Now, the most simple tool to use is the electric drill, right? So I'll just get it right now. Rightio. So you get your drill, and let's say we'll use a 5mm bit. Just form this please.
Did you hot it?
There we are. Right. So you tighten up. Sweet. Now, you want to drill it right in the centre to get the best look. Alright? So, get your drill right in the centre. Right. Now, there's not exactly how you do it, but you get the point. Alright? So, 5mm hole, still not going to fit. So, you drill a big one. So, let's say we use a 10mm. Bottom up. Just drill that exactly the same way as we did before. Rightio. So now we have a clean hole ready to be put on the car.
Now, once you've got your hole, you dig the hole, so there. Now, you go find your area, well, ours is right here. You go to the bottom, and you just slide it on there. Slide it on there. Bob's your uncle.
Sweet.
Now, have a listen to the radio. Oh, I'm definitely posting that.
Mate, camera's rolling.
Sorry about that. Right, now, once you've got your EMU export can on the aerial, you change to your favourite radio station. Mine's Mix 94.5. And you turn it right up. Woohoo! Now that's how you fix your radio, Jarrahdale style.
Catch you next time.